Hate to break it to you, but that corny saying, your net worth is your network, is true. So here's how to build a strong network. Number one is referrals. Talk to other real estate investors. Who do they use? Those are always going to be the best contacts that you get, is from other investors in your space. That could be for contractors, property managers, cleaners, stagers, and anything that you need to build your team. Another real estate investor in your market is going to be able to provide the best referrals to you. Some people may keep those referrals to themselves because they don't want to overwork those people that they're sharing, but most people are pretty open. Number two would be Instagram. Reaching out, DMing other investors again to figure out who they use, and also directly messaging contractors, cleaners, stagers, all those people that you need on your team. All are usually on Instagram and have a presence there. There's some of the things out there that you can just search and find good people. Hiring slow and firing quickly is another strategy. Once you find someone and try them, if they don't work out, do not keep using them. Fire them and find someone else. That's going to keep you from having dead weight on your team that's holding you back.